Does your songs keep pausing on your iPhone? No need to stress. Here are some advanced solutions to tackle the issue that songs keep pausing on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we begin, ensure that your internet connection is active, toggle the airplane mode on and off, verify that your Apple Music subscription is active, clear the music app history from the home screen, give your iPhone a forced restart. Now, let's start the advanced fixes. Solution 1. Offload and reinstall the music app. Open the Settings app, scroll down, tap General. Again, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the music app. Tap Offload app. After offloading app, reinstall the app and wait for it to complete and check. Solution 2. Check your software update. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see software update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Hope this fixes your problem. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.